In this video, I want to share with you 10 Mother Day niches that are starting to trend on Etsy. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 trending niches on Etsy for Mother's Day, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and Etsy. So today is Tuesday, April 26th. I'm sorry, Tuesday, April 22nd, 6:25 a.m. in the morning. Haven't had my coffee yet. But yesterday was a pretty good day on merch on demand. I did 58 sales and $122 in royalties. That's actually my seventh $100 day of the month, which is pretty cool. And that is going to put me at 678 sales for the month and $1,732 in royalties for the month of April. And then for Etsy, since this is an Etsy video, I figured I'd share with you my Etsy sales from yesterday. So yesterday, you can see yesterday, April 21st, I did 5 orders and $72 in revenue. Now that is revenue, not profit. I profit around 40 to 45%. Because I sell both POD products and digital files. And you can see here yesterday I ended up selling 3 print-on-demand mugs and then 2 digital downloads that I sell at $5 a pop. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So we got Mother's Day coming up on Saturday, May 10th, and I want to share with you some Mother's Day niches that you can sell on Etsy, whether you're doing print on demand or digital downloads. I do both on my shop. So the first Mother's Day niche I have for you is this one right here. That is Praying Mama, Raising Warriors. And one thing that I've noticed with a lot of these niches I saw that started in trend, a lot of them are taking Mother's Day and they're cross-niching it with like Christianity, Jesus praying, things like that. Also, I saw a lot of cowboy ones too, or cowgirls. But this is the first one that I have for you right here, Praying Mama, Raising Warriors. We can see that, it has 183 sales. If you have the Everbee Chrome extension, you get this information. It's sold 20 times this month so far. And I also made prompts for all these trending niches that you can actually download from my school shop. So if you sign up to my school shop, I have a free trial going on right now. You just go to Classroom and then you scroll down right here and you can see I got 10 Mother's Day prompts. So if you like the prompts or the designs that I'm going to share with you, you can download those here. But here's actually the prompt that I created. So Praying Mama, Raising Warriors on this nice white background. And another thing that I also noticed with a lot of these designs for Mother's Day is basically they're like these phrases and then they have flowers around them. I think flowers just works really well with Mother's Day because, I know me as a son, every Mother's year, or every Mother's Day every year, I would, bring a bouquet of flowers to my mom. So I think that works well. But that's the first one I have for you, and it is Praying Mama, Raising Warriors. And then the second trending Mother's Day niche to have for you on Etsy is going to be this one right here that says, you can be a mess and a good mom. You are allowed to be both. We can see here that has the bestseller tag. It's in demand. 4 people bought this in the past 24 hours. According to Everbee, it's had 21 sales this month and a total of 151 sales. And here is what the design looks like from the prompt that I made. So I just did a simple white one. So you can be a mess and a good mom. You're allowed to be both. But if you want, like here's the prompt right here from the Word file. You can just switch this up and you can add in some colors if you wanted to make it look, more colorful. But that is the second one that I have for you. You can be a mess and a good mom. You're allowed to be both, kind of a funny one. And then the third one is going to be this one right here that is just a mama who loves Jesus. And one of the reasons why I really like this design is because we're taking a popular spin off of a popular phrase, which is sold very well over the years on, print on demand, which is just a girl who loves, and then you just pop in the niche. But here they put an interesting spin on it. Instead of saying just a girl, it's just a mama who loves Jesus. We can see that this listing has the bestseller tab. It's in 20 carts. And I actually came up with a really good design for this one. I think this was actually my favorite out of all of them. Look how nice this came out. Just a mama who loves Jesus with these really nice purple, I think, daisy flowers. So really nice there. So that is the third one. And then the fourth trending Mother's Day niche for Etsy that I have for you is going to be this one right here that says Gentle Parenting Dropout Established this morning. That's a funny one. We can see, according to Everbee, it's sold 20 times this month. 206 times in total in 8 months. It's got the bestseller tab. It's in 20 carts, so this one looks like it's doing pretty well. And I came up with a funny design or prompt for this one: Gentle Parenting Dropout Established this morning. I love these ones where you have the woman like in the skull, wearing the sunglasses. I think that turned out really nice. So that is the fourth one. And the fifth trending niche is going to be this one right here that says mind your own motherhood. I saw just motherhood in general was trending a lot for the, this niche Mother's Day on Etsy. So that might be something to think about. I went ahead and let's go ahead and take a look. So this one is actually sold 133 times. Hasn't sold any this month, which I thought was kind of odd. But I'm sure it should be selling. It's got 5 views in the last 24 hours. And if we go to ideogram, take a look at the design I made. Again, we're seeing that same kind of style where we have, a phrase and then it's, there's flowers basically wrapped around it. So good design right here, kind of like with that groovy font. It's got a nice little gradient in it. So that is going to be the fifth one, I believe. The sixth trending Mother's Day niche is this one right here that is raising kids and trusting God. So again, it's another one where we're taking Mother's Day and we're crossing it with Christianity, whether it's Jesus, God, prayer, etc. So this one is sold 40 times. It's been marked down. Here is the prompt or the design that I made. Just a very simplistic one, raising kids and trusting God. I think that turned out really nice, kind of like a watercolor. Looks like a watercolor effect, which you can just add into the prompt. So that is the sixth one. And the seventh one is going to be this one right here where it says, some days I rock it, some days it rocks me. Either way, we're rocking motherhood. Again, we're seeing that motherhood theme. And also we're seeing the woman as the skull, which I think is funny. But if we take a look at this one, according to Everbee, it has 151 sales just this month. It's sold over 3,000 times, over 22 months. It's in 11 carts. Now, I wasn't able to really get a good design that was kind of similar to this. So what I did is I went ahead and I made one kind of like that groovy floral theme that has been working well for me. So right here, here's the prompt, motherhood. Some days I rock it, some days it rocks me. Either way, we're rocking. So funny phrase here, again, using the motherhood theme. So that is the seventh one. And then the next one right here is a Spanish one. So it's La Mejor Mamá del Mundo. Basically, that means the best mom in the world. And, this one doesn't have any sales yet. It was just recently uploaded, but this is a strategy or a tip that I've used for merch on demand. Is basically just taking like best-selling designs, and just translating them into Spanish. And so, this design actually sells well on merch on demand. So I'm pretty sure or positive that it will sell well here on Etsy. So here we can see La Mejor Mamá del Mundo, and I actually made a really nice design for this one. And right here, you can see how very colorful it came out. So I think this would look really good on white or even on black. But that, I believe, is the eighth one. And the ninth one here is going to be Mama Goose. You can see, according to Everbee, this one has 51 sales just this month. And it was actually just recently uploaded, so that's really good. It was just uploaded this month, already got 51 sales. It's in 16 carts, only 198, but that's still, probably making about like 150 every time it sells. So if you do the math, what is that, like $75, in 1 month? So in my opinion, that's good. I made a good design for this one as well. Mama Goose, I just love the look on the goose's face right there. Another thing you can also do is you can do Establish 2025 if you want to get like more niche down. That's going to be the ninth one, Mama Goose. And then the last, or the 10th trending Mother's Day niche for Etsy that I have for you is going to be this one right here. That is Moms Don't Get Days Off. I really like this one because of the design that I made right here on ideogram. I just think this turned out really nice. Just has that nice vintage kind of like 1950s kind of look. The woman is very pretty. I just like how this turned out. So that is going to be the 10th one that I have for you. And like I said, if you want to download these 10 Mother's Day prompts for free, you can just sign up to my SKOOL community. The link is in the description. It will take you to this About page right here. You can watch the video to see what you get as a SKOOL community member. I'm up to 80 members. I'm offering a free trial, so you can just sign up for free. You can check out what the community is like for 7 days. If you like it, you can stick around. It's only $24 a month or 80 cents a day, or you can just cancel it and we'll still be friends. But basically what you get when you sign up is you get 4 niches every day with prompts, 2 trending, 2 evergreen. You also get access to all of my GPTs. So I'm up to like 17 or 18, and 4 of them are actually for Etsy. So if we just go back to the classroom section right here, like for Etsy, right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for like how to write your listings. It will write you a really rich SEO title, description, and tags, whether you're doing POD or digital downloads like PNG files or like Tumblr wraps. Here we have, or here I made an Etsy customer service assistant. So this is how to like respond to customers when they send you a nasty message. Sometimes I'd get like triggered when that would happen to me, and I'd kind of like respond kind of nasty. This always keeps it professional and friendly. And I also have another one on how you can reply to reviews as well. So those are the 4 ones. Then I have just a bunch for like specific niches. So if you like the alien niche, military niche, teacher niche, things like that. I have some other ones as well. I'm going to be making a nurse one this week. But yeah, so if you're interested, take a look. If not, it's all good. But that's going to be it for today's video. Watch this video up here. It's going to be about this Etsy GPT that I created earlier or last month. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.